The bigger the hair, the harder they stare. And since they're gonna talk about you anyway, so why not give them something to talk about? Hey, welcome back to my channel. Hey boo, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome, girl. I have finally found the most easiest, simplest wig out there in them streets. This is a plop and go. And I don't know about you, I just got no time to be spending hours and hours and hours on some hair. Now, as you can tell by the title, this wig is from Shein. It's one of their short, curly, synthetic wigs with bangs. Bang, the bang, the bang. Got this wig in the color black. They had other colors, so if you feeling a little risque, okay, if you feeling like you really want to apply that pressure, okay, you want to put your foot on them necks, you got options, girl. I seen a pink one, a red one, honey. They said that these curls are small to medium, but they kind of giving me voluptuous, honey. I don't know what you think about that. The length is approximately 14 inches, and I believe they must be talking about stretched, honey, because when it's on this Shirley Temple, to me, it's about 8 inches. It does say that you can be able to apply heat, low heat, honey. Low heat, but why would you do that? Now, when I initially put the wig on, sis, I ain't gonna lie, it gave me Ronald McDonald. Gave me a little clown vibe. Curls were so tight and uniform, and I knew immediately that we have to break these curls up, honey. I did not take the comb, I did not take the brush, because I felt like if I did that, then it will cause it to be a little bit more poofy, a big bush. That's not the look I was going for, so I went in and I kind of manipulated the curls like so, just pulling them apart, piece by piece, tucking them up under each other. I did not cut this unit, not much. Now, I did go in and cut just a little bit that I did off camera in this area, but I wanted to show y'all how simplistic this wig is, so I didn't do anything additional. I feel like this is one of those units that you're gonna need a few in your closet, because as time go on, it's probably gonna get a lot of frizzy, maybe tangled some. I didn't get any shedding. None at all. It was very much giving very shiny, plasticky. I would suggest maybe using the wig spray. What is it? The one that kind of tones down the sheen or the shine to it. I didn't put any on this, and this is what it's giving. I feel like once I kind of combed the curls out, it took it away from it being so synthetic-y looking to giving more natural, honey. Okay, it's looking like this is my own hair. Underneath the wig, there was 2 combs, 1 elastic band. I didn't use the combs. I just kind of tied the elastic band. You know how I do, sis. And then I just put it on my head. Again, plop and go. Now that you manipulated the curls the first time, you would never have to worry about manipulating them again. So when you need to run out right quick and you ain't got time, this is that one, honey. You do have to be one of those ones that's into that Diana Ross look, that whole Chaka Khan look for this particular unit. I feel like whether if you have a small face, a big face, whatever, this will go with you. As far as the cap size, my head circumference is about 22 inches, and it fits perfectly, especially with the adjustable elastic band. So I'm assuming, sis, that it's good for the lemon hair girls as well. I'm completely convinced at this point, sis, that I could wear any type of hairstyle, okay? This is giving me like the 90s. I don't know, it's just giving me old school. And let me tell you something, sis, another hat when it comes to these type of wigs. If ever you get a wig that you're not really feeling, honey, turn it into a hat wig. Add some accessories with that thing. Boom. Automatically took this wig from a 10 to a 20. Boom. Took it to a 30. Just that quick. I'm ready for somebody's brunch. I'm giving rich auntie right now. And you most definitely need the big earrings. They gotta be big. They gotta be colossal when you got the big hair. Am I not giving 90s? Girl, this is a look. This wig may not be for everybody. I'm not for everybody, okay? But if you're into this particular look, sis, this will be perfect to add to your wig collection. The grab and go wigs are one of my favorite wigs to ever in the universe wear. Effortlessly looking cute as hell, honey. For the low. Now, of course, I will have all the information on this wig, the links, and everything in the description box. But you know I got you. If you made it to the end of this video, be sure to drop this emoji in the comments down below. That's how I'm gonna know it's real. If you're into wigs, honey, I got a whole playlist full of them. Go ahead and binge me. Make sure you thumbs this video up before you leave, child. And if you felt them good vibes, go ahead and subscribe, boo. I want to thank Shein so very much for sending this wig out. And I want to thank you, yes, you, for taking the time out to watch my video. Until next time, later.